Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use multiple page orientations in Google Docs, meaning using both landscape and portrait orientations within the same document. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you see I have two different pages on here on this document. The first page is in portrait mode, and as of right now, the second page is as well. But let's say I want to make the second page appear in landscape mode. What you want to do is highlight over any text or images that are contained on that page you want to change to the other orientation or setup view, and then select the File tab, and then select Page Setup. Where it says Apply To, click on the drop-down and select where it says Selected Content, and then under Orientation, we're going to select Landscape, and then OK. And then you should see that that text we just highlighted will now appear on its own landscape-oriented page. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.